Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm going to be doing the last video on this 29-gallon biocube. Sorry about the glare. As you can see, it cleared up pretty good with the C cam and the skimmer and the reactor. But I just wanted to show my bubble dam that I built back there for the microbubbles. Helped out pretty good. I just have a coarse filter over here and the poly filter over here, and then I got two pumps over here, one for the reactor and then one just for circulation. And then I have the jebo or whatever it's called. I got one little damsel in there. He's hiding right now. Got the Chinese LED. Bubble Magus E3 skimmer. Pulling out some pretty good stuff right now. Got the aquatop reactor. Let me turn on the light here. Aquatop reactor with the Cami Pure Blue and some C-Cam kind of mixed together in there. Seems to be doing pretty good. But like I said, this is the final video for the 29-gallon biocube. As you can see, the biocube part of it's been taken out. The reason why I say this is the final video on this because I'm currently building up a 40-gallon breeder to make as a reef tank. So, don't forget to subscribe and ask for more videos.